This video was digitized from a reel of silent 8mm film, belonged to an airman in the U.S. Air Force, and it was marked Colorado Springs, 1951, Gunnery School and Survival School. And you can see we're here at Gunnery School. And I'm not too sure if there was actually a gunnery school in Colorado Springs in 51. I know there was a pretty big gunnery school at Lowry Air Force Base in Denver, Colorado. So maybe this is actually the Lowry Air Force Base gunnery school. You can see the drone there that they were shooting at. Then we're going to move into survival school training, water training. So yeah, love to hear your comments, and hope you enjoy this look at the U.S. Air Force Gunnery School and Survival School in 1951. I hope you enjoyed this bit of history. Try to upload military and patriotic videos to my site here, about every other day. And if you're interested in a good read, check out my books at www.edsemler.com.